The News was founded as the Electric Refrigeration News in 1926 to chronicle the growth of a new industry. Through all the decades since, we were there. Like in 1928, when the U.S. Congress received air conditioning. In 1933, when Westinghouse introduced an air conditioning unit using Freon. Then in 1942, when intercoolers allowed World War II fighter planes to fly higher and faster. In 1946, when the first public bus system was air-conditioned. And again in 1953, when room air conditioner sales exceeded 1 million units. In 1962, when 1.2 million homes across the U.S. adopted gas heating. In 1987, when the Montreal Protocol was signed. Then in 1996, when production of CFCs ended. In 2006, when the 13th SEER mandate took effect. We were there in 2008, when ARI and GAMA combined to form AHRI. And in 2012, when Daikin acquired Goodman. We've been there for nearly 90 years. We are the news, and we are the source of news and information for the HVACR industry.